Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2003 X5 3-wheeler. Customer is complaining because he has a leak. He has a leak. He's driving leak when he's parked. A lot of leak on the driveway. So let's check it out together, guys. Here we go, guys. This is the X5. Yes, let's check it out. Yeah, this X5 already started. I will remove it because when I look at it, because the leaks coming out from the oil filter housing, as you guys can see here. This is where the oil filter housing is placing on this compartment here. I already remove it, and I have to remove the alternator. I have to remove the tensioner right here, and I have to remove this crazy extra rails on this one, and plus this is it right there. That's the housing oil filter housing gasket right behind. As you guys can see, this is completely flush. It's flush. So that's why it has a lot of leak. A lot of oil is leaking. A lot of oil is leaking on it. So now I'm just waiting for the gasket and to replace it and put a new one on it. This is the gasket. I'm just gonna remove this gasket completely. This gasket, see? It's completely dry. Gasket. This is a new gasket that I purchased. I'm just going to put it in on it, but I have to remove it and then to make sure this is look nice, clean. So I have to I have to use my two hands, yeah, to remove it much easy. Yeah, there we go. They make that gasket in Germany. So now this is it. Let's just place that baby right here. Let's place that sexy. Yes. Let's place that sexy right here. She's already in. Now we have nothing to do, just put them up together. So now on this particular job right here, I won't be able to hold camera to put everything to show you guys, so that will be off camera. At the end, when I finish completely, then I'll show you guys everything. All right, let's do it. It's running nice, so let's go under to see if everything's looking good. As you guys can see here, no leak. Before, you see a lot of big dripping. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna do a shampoo on it. I'm gonna do a shampoo to clean up all those oil that we had before. Then put the cover. She will be ready to go home. That's it. Look at how much crazy oil was leaking on it. I'm gonna do a nice shampoo on it, make it nice and clean, and then ready to go home. All right. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully that video could help friend and family member. Hopefully you had the same problem that I do. Please share and subscribe. Psalm 23 verse 1 said, "The Lord is our shepherd. We should not fear for nothing. We should not fear for nothing. Stay blessed.